How to unpublish Facebook page. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook, enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Now head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and head over to settings. Inside settings, move into see more in account center. Once you're in here, move into personal informations. You will be able to see the option where it says account ownership and control. Click on it. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Select deactivate account and then tap on continue. So now right here you can see, it says pages and additional Facebook profiles will also be deactivated, which means that the Facebook page that you have will also be deactivated. So simply tap on continue. Now enter the password of your Facebook account and then click on continue. After that, your Facebook page will be unpublished and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can unpublish Facebook page. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.